Hello everyone, welcome to Glitch Sip, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how we're going to be able to download Clash Royale on our computer. This is something quite simple. The only thing we're going to have to do is, in our browser, search for this page. In this case, we're just going to type Google Play Games, and well, I have it set to USA, but it still shows in Spanish, either way. Simply, so you don't get confused, here we have the button to download on PC or start playing on Android. In this case, what interests us is downloading on PC. Once you have it downloaded, this new file will open, where we simply have to click on it and authorize the application to run so that it can be installed on our computer. It simply weighs a total of 2 gigabytes, which is absolutely nothing. We're going to have to give all the necessary permissions to the application, and as you can see, it's already installing. Once it's installed, we go back to download Clash Royale, and as we can see, we already have the launcher inside our computer. So we're simply going to click on Explore, and we're going to have to search. Well, it actually appears as the first option, Clash Royale. So we're simply going to click Add, we're going to wait for the game to download, and in this way, we'll be able to play it on our computer. And as you can see, in this way, we're going to be able to play Clash Royale on our Chromebook or from our computer normally. And well, that would be everything. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Sip, and I'll see you in the next video.